Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video I'm going to make a gift for Father's Day that is going to come up on 15th of this month. So are you all ready with your gift? If not, then do watch this video. I'm sure you all will love this gift. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. So here is the final result, as you all can see. So let me know how did you all like it. Do like, share, and also comment down below your opinions on this gift. The best comment will win this as a giveaway, so you can give this to your dad. So do comment down, and I'll be waiting for your comments. I'll surely check out all the comments. Don't worry, I won't miss any of them. So the best comment will win this as a giveaway. So don't forget to also mention your email ID or Insta username at the end of your comment. That is, you can mention, like if it's a Insta username, then you can mention as Insta and then put your username, and if it's email ID, then just put down your email ID, so that the best one will be contacted and I'll be sending this to you as a giveaway. So yes, that's it for today's video. I'll see you all. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.